Hey, what's up? Been gone for a minute. Working on short form videos we'll put out for you soon. But until then, let's talk about why your footage looks cheap. Just gonna say it. Most footage looks cheap. Not because of the camera you're using, although some will argue that dynamic range this and dynamic range that. Whatever, light it correctly and you won't need dynamic range. And it's not because you don't have money. It's because you're making the same mistakes over and over again. You're lighting everything. It looks like a rom-com. You're trying too hard to make the image look good, and you're killing the depth. Everything is flat. Everything is evenly lit. It looks like a YouTube vlog, not a film. Film is contrast. Film is shadow. Film is what you don't see. Right now, you're afraid of the dark, and it shows. Let me show you what I mean. If I walk into a room and pound light everywhere, I can see everything. Cool, but it doesn't feel like anything. Now you take that same room and kill all the lights. Start with a blank canvas. Bring in one light source, just one, a lamp or whatever. Then suddenly there's shape, there's mystery. Now your eye actually has somewhere to go. That's the difference between recording something and directing it. Here's what I want you to do next time you shoot. First, turn off all the lights. Seriously, just kill them. And then second, pick one motivated light source, a window, a lamp, street light outside, something that makes sense in the world. And then third, control the spill. Not everything needs to be seen. Let parts of the frame fall off into shadow, because shadow is where the story lives. And here's the part nobody tells you. Cheap cameras don't look cheap. Flat lighting does. You could shoot on a phone right now, but if your lighting has intention, it feels cinematic. I've been on sets where I've had everything, gear, crew, budget, and I've been on sets where it was just me and one light. The difference was never the equipment. It was always the decisions. So next time you're about to shoot, don't ask, how do I make this brighter? Ask, what can I take away? What can I shape? That's where your film starts to look like a film. If you want, I'll break down a full one light setup in the next video. Real simple, no budget, and it actually looks like a movie. But you got to comment so I know you want it. But for now, stop lighting everything. Start shaping it. If you got value, like the video, share it, watch it again, and comment. Make the next video so I know you want to see it. Otherwise, you won't get